If you guys don't know, Kalan really enjoys movies, and I really want to take him to a drive-in movie theater. So I'm looking up times and things like that. That is what I'm trying to do today for his birthday. I'm not sure if you guys know where we live now, but yes, we do live in Atlanta, Georgia. The kitchen. I'm in love. Like, I can't even. This is perfect. How you feel about it?
I like it.
You like it?
I like it a lot.
I know you like it a lot. I can tell.
So last week we went apartment shopping and we have bad news. The apartment we want is not available. Sierra and I are having a fantastic day. What did you tweet on Twitter today?
I said, woo child, the blessings.
They coming in, y'all. They coming in, they coming in. I will let y'all know this. We have found the apartment.
Yes.
We have found it. There's no more looking, no more searching. So y'all just gotta stay tuned for the move-in date. That is the bless. Today, we're actually gonna be going to the drive-in theater. We were supposed to go on my birthday, but we had a lot going on. As y'all know, we've been doing a lot, trying to get comfortable and get settled in. So we're actually gonna go today. We got the blankets in the back. Feel me? We about to be mad comfortable. Babe, you know, babe, like, babe, we should bring blankets, like, really get comfortable. I'm like, you know what? Let's get comfortable.
Me and Kalan are kind of like old souls, so that's something that we've always really wanted to do. So today is the day that we're gonna do that. I think we're supposed to be seeing The Purge.
We even gonna see if we can't make it to the Purge in time, we gotta be there. It's like 7:30 now. Where we're going is like an hour and a half away, so we gotta drive, get there in time. We still gotta get snacks. We gotta get mad stuff. Yeah. So hopefully we'll make it in time, but y'all just gotta stay tuned so y'all can see.
All right, you ready?
All right, let's go.
I don't know what to get. I was thinking about getting popcorn. Arizona. We made it.
Sipping on lean, that's why.
Okay, we're definitely not the only ones, so I know you was scared.
Here, you got the bread? Oh, I'm pulling through, I'm pulling through, I'm pulling through. Let me ask him. Hello. What's up, what's up, what's up?
What movie tonight?
The Purge. Is it packed?
No.
Alright,
There you go. I'll go to the far right lane. The ready station's on the ticket.
Okay.
So the
the snack bar up there is closed, so you have to go down the middle hill for it.
Okay.
Okay.
You said on the far
right lane.
Okay.
Far right.
Yeah. 6.
You said 6?
Yeah.
My fault, y'all. I'm late. I'm late. I'm late, God. I'm late.
Where's the screen at?
Right here to the left. Is this it?
You can see. Yeah, we gotta find a parking spot. So in order for us to hear the movie, we have to change the station.
Action.
You turn your lights off, babe. You're all in people's face.
I don't care.
I called y'all here to discuss this experiment.
Hey.
I don't give a shit what other people do during Purge night. I care about what you all do.
Okay.
You get hurt,
We can't get closer.
when you die, I lose
Turn
money.
the lights off.
And I don't lose money. We got enemies, right?
I mean, you're high.
Niggas might use the night to make a move on them.
So it's been a little minute since you guys seen us last, and I just want to get on here and give you guys a little bit of an update and tell you guys a little bit about my wig. So I know you guys are probably tired of seeing hair reviews on this channel, which I definitely could understand, but I do want to let you guys know that I will be posting on my personal channel. I'll be posting wig reviews, makeup tutorials, get ready with me, things like that. So if you guys are interested in these things, please make sure you guys go ahead and give me a follow so you guys can stay updated on that channel with my more girly things. This wig was sent to me by Afsister. I think I showed you guys this wig box vlogs maybe 2 or 3 videos ago. So this is that same wig, but I had dyed it this blonde ombre color. This is their Mona style wig. It's the 12-inch curly wig. I also got my cap size a medium, which now thinking about it, I should have got a small, but I didn't know that my head was that small. They also gave me 4 combs that you can install inside the wig, which would obviously make it tighter, so that's good. They also gave me 4 clips that I can also install inside of the wig, and they also gave me a strap that you can sew inside the wig just to make sure that the wig is fit to your head, which I haven't done yet. Ooh, child, the dustiness. As far as baby hairs go, I make sure that I pluck the hairline. This specific wig already had a pre-plucked hairline, so I didn't really have to do much to it. So I'm just gonna pull down some baby hairs. This bottle right here is what I've been using recently. The first thing that I'm gonna do is take my toothbrush, go ahead and dab it in there a couple of times and get some of that gel out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and make my first baby hair. So I'm just gonna kind of apply it to the hair and use a swooping motion to make sure my baby hair comes out laid. Baby hairs are a process, so sometimes you have to do them over and over again. If you get them on the first try, sis, don't even talk to me. I'm just gonna finger detangle everything. And as you guys can see, the hair will slowly start to come back to life. Bitches be like, how do you get your curls like that? Water. So this is pretty much the final product. This is how I slayed this wig. It's pretty simple. It's a very low maintenance wig, so there's not much to it. I just use water in my hands and the curls just begin to define. My curls will begin to blossom a little bit more as it dries. You guys will probably see on camera, but other than that, this is the final product. What's up, you guys? So today is Friday. It is about 9 a.m. in the morning and I'm on my way to my first photo shoot.
A little more slowly, like twist around. That's going to be weird and uncomfortable. Yeah, great. Hold that. Push it. Push it in. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Great.
Alright, you guys, so Tiara just finished shooting her first section. She had on like the blue shirt as y'all seen with the jeans. I like that vibe. Ooh. That's your energy? You looking mad good. Y'all about to see she looking mad good. But we out here at the shoot, man, having fun. Baby girl shooting her first photo shoot. She's having fun, she's happy. Say what's up to him, babe. Say what's up.
I'm finally in front of the camera, huh?
Oh boy, here we go. Alright, whoa, is that an ant? Mosquito was sucking the blood out of me. Right now, as y'all can see, I know y'all are like, yo, where are y'all at? But we're actually in a greenhouse, an abandoned greenhouse. So I'm gonna give y'all some B-roll in a second, but it's pretty dope. Photographer's dope, great vibe. So we're just gonna go ahead and get into Tiara's second outfit. Let's go. Look at her, y'all. She thinks she a baddie. This photo shoot is about to be so dope. I wish I could see how vibrant it is. It's hot as hell.
This is gonna be kind of a prop. Or this one you kind of like hold it. Like,
Oh yeah, he's the real deal. He's the real deal. He got her some props. Yeah. I'm gonna switch to. Alright, I'm about to switch. She looking man good.
Kind of like sit. This way. We'll sort of like this, or like this sort of thing. Just kind of relax. Awesome. Same thing. This time I'll be bringing your left hand up, like to your hair or something like you. That's it. Good. Actually, just give me like a lean a little this way and let that hand go just a little bit big. Awesome. Cool. So that's one roll. You want to switch up to, you said it's like a white onesie? Cool. Yeah, let's do that.
What should I do with my hands?
Just hold them up like this.
She really put it up.
Do I look sweaty?
You have like a little sheen.
Yeah.
Oh, that reminds me, I love What's that?
Not really, but you can use my shirt.
Bring that hand down a little more. That's good. Sit into it. And then, I need to be able to see. Yeah, you got it. That's it. Perfect. Hold that. 1, 2. Relax a little bit. 3.
There you go.
That's alright. Let's do one more. 1, 2, 3.
Work it. Mama. Work it, baby girl.
Very good.
You gotta work it, baby. Look at her, y'all. She thinks she thick. You not thick, babe. Go in. Nah, you dumb thick. There you go, baby. Break it, babe. Yeah, just look away just a little bit. There you go. We did that. We just did that. You killed that. You killed that, baby. There you go. However you want it, baby. However you want it.
Bring your shoulders slightly toward me.
It's gonna look good either way, babe. You're doing great, babe. There we go, there we go.
Another one just like that. Lean a little toward me and chin up.
That's what I say. Either way you want it. Boom. Fire. She's fire. So how you feel about the shoot right now?
I like it. I'm excited to see it.
Alright.
Black and white only.
Watch your step, princess. So Tiara just finished her photo shoot. I feel like her photo shoot was fire. I'm happy for you. I'm proud of you. I feel like everything turned out the way it was supposed to turn out. I was actually recording, but of course I didn't even turn on the mic and I was saying all of this stuff. But now that I actually have the chance to explain, I'm just gonna tell you that I love you, babe, and I really appreciate you. And I have something for you. You gotta open the glove box.
What is it?
Jewelry. Just a little bit of jewelry. I know you said you like ankle bracelets and stuff like that and other stuff, so I didn't know exactly what you would like. But the other day I was out, and when I was driving, I seen somebody that was hand making jewelry. So I was like, you know what, if you're gonna hand make jewelry, I'm gonna take some for my girlfriend. So I don't know if you're gonna like all of this stuff, but I just got a lot of the stuff because I'm like, damn, I don't know what she's gonna like and what she's not gonna like.
Aww. So how long you had it kept the secret?
I had that for like a week, maybe a week and a half. It was in the glove box. You just didn't check. I was just going, whenever you looked in the glove box, maybe this for me, but that didn't happen. So I was just like, you know what? It's time to surprise her.
So you really wasn't gonna tell me?
Nope. And we still got our anniversary coming up in like 2 weeks, y'all. A little over 2 weeks. That's just something like I said, some play, just to throw on your wrist, whatever. But I'm glad you like it though.
Thanks, bro.
You're welcome.
Aww. Aww. Aww.